My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the intrusive advertisements and misleading pop-ups that come from the site faceos.com. faceos.com. This particular website displays pretty scary information mentioning that your Windows protection may have expired. However, this information is totally faulty and deceptive. People might have never had any protection on their computers or the software that is advertised through these pop-ups, but they still see these scary and deceitful messages trying to encourage people click on the Protect Now button. When people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on Protect Now, they may be forwarded to some other questionable sites that may promote a totally different software, not the one that was initially advertised here. Plus, if people click on the Allow button, they also may start receiving the great number of pretty intrusive ads displayed in the right bottom part of the computer screen. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you should immediately implement certain fixes for your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then in Permissions, click on Notifications and pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious resources here, you should click on this related button and remove these malicious sites from the list. And this should basically fix the issue very well. But to make sure that your device is free of other threats, I recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could remain on your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether Premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called Anti-Ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.